Hello everybody, today on That's a Farm, we're going to show you how to properly trim goat hooves. Because we all know a goat with a pedicure is a happy goat. All further instructions will be provided by my father. Let's tune into him now.
So the hardest part about trimming goat hooves is catching the goats. But once you have a handy pair of goat hoof trimmers, you can pick them up at any farm supply store, feed store, they'll have them. You got to grab your goat. So let's see what we can do. Luckily, goats all come with built-in handlebars. So you got to try to get the goat on its back so you can see its feet really well.
And our big show with a Strowman.
Get it on its back. Then come in here and I'll show you what we're doing. So you can see the foot, you can see the fingernails kind of growing over. And so you just take your trimmers and trim off all that corner to make it nice and flat for the goat to walk on. And if you go too deep, it'll bleed, so don't do that. They don't like it. Just get them nice and smooth and flat like that. Do the next one. This doesn't hurt them, they just don't like being held down. See the little pockets like in here? That can get manure and dirt and get infected if you don't keep them trimmed. Again, just a nice flat pad. Look at the back. It's pretty good. Trim them up. Nice flat pad. Watch out for missiles. Poke somebody's eye out with the fingernail clippings. And that's it. Another one.
Built the diamond mine from the ground.
Look at her hooves. See, kind of the same setup. I have it trim these goats' hooves in about 6 months, so it's really pretty good. There's a lot of rocks out here, so they kind of trim themselves. But just check your goat feet every so often. You'll get a feel for when they need it. And if you keep them trimmed like this, you'll tend to have no foot rot and foot infections, and life will be much simpler. That's it. She's done.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and share for more That's a Farm.